it's only teeny tiny rubbing it just a little bit. I think my camera just reset, damn it. So I am going to have to render this one. I heard my camera beep. Bummer. Didn't think I was out here that long. Gotta really torque these down, man. Won't come loose on you because there's no thread lock on these. Yep, front brake does not need to be adjusted any more than that. Good. Alright, I'm done now. Now just to clean up and put away process. Oh, it's a mini bike. It sounds like he's having some issues. I'm gonna flip this beast over now. Oh man. Yeah, that's gonna make some noise. Well, it probably won't come up on the camera though. You probably won't be able to hear that. I mean, you could probably hear it right now, but when I'm actually riding and the motors are turned on and going. I mean, it's rolling freely. It's just hitting something. There's a teeny tiny bit of rub on the front tire, but nothing that's gonna like cause an issue on the disc. I mean, oh fuck! Up I go. Yeah, tuck in my shirt so it doesn't get stuck on the handlebars. This bike is so heavy. Nice close-up of the tire for you guys. Shit. Oh. Yeah, rear brakes are good. Yeah, see now? I flipped it over. It's not rubbing anymore. Like I said, it's so weird. I'm going to do a little handlebar adjustment for the front brake. Kind of like them to feel about even. That's good. That's not good. I didn't notice that. That wasn't locked in place. Now it is. Okay, cool. Oops. Oops, where's my bungees at? There they are. I'm gonna go, guess I'm gonna go put this flat out on the shelf over here for next time. Somewhere over here. That looks like a good somewhere over here. Put my camera back up to normalish level. Oh man. I'd love to go for a ride, but I don't know. I'm starting to feel kind of bad again, but not like scary bad, just uncomfortable bad. So far of a sit down when you're 6'3", sitting on a metal folding chair. I think that's why tall guys like short girlfriends or women, because like we can get all the high stuff and they can reach all the low stuff. It's like it's a compromise. It's like, hey babe, I'll get that stuff on that shelf for you if you can give me some cheese out of the cheese drawer in the fridge because it's way down there or something. I don't know. I'm just trying to make up shit in my head and then say it to you because why not? Oh, I couldn't even say that right. All right. I mean, sometimes I'm really witty and really fast, and sometimes I'm like, my verbal skills are slow and plodding. It's like my brain just has its own wacky speed limit or some shit. Okay. Well, the fun part, I gotta wrap this on here. Gotta pull on this thing so hard to get the bungee so hard to get the hook over to the other side. You gotta like keep getting slack out of it. And I gotta stand up now, which is not a problem. Got it. Alrighty then, that's done. Now I gotta go put everything away. Away more, I mean. Oh, damn it. Oh my god. One thing about sleeping in my bed when it was like all lumpy and shit, like, until I just recently leveled it off again, I was waking up and my whole freaking rib cage was like sore. It's like I was hurt. I was like, oh my god. Felt like I was working out and I pulled something, a lot of somethings. I remember those days when I used to work out and lift weights and shit. Not anymore. Okay. I'm just gonna put my bike away. Is that tire feel like it's going low? I hope not. No, it's not. Okay. Flip the bike around. Well, Mom reparked her car because she went somewhere, so it's like easy to get my bike back in here again. My back tire keeps feeling like it's low. It's not. I don't know. It's just me, I guess. Chalk it up to flat tire paranoia. I've literally had hundreds of flats on my bike riding in San Bernardino. So I'm allowed to be a little paranoid about that. So in case I do go for a ride in a little bit, I'm not going to actually plug this in. Kind of pointless. Oh my god. Alright, well, that was that. Brake maintenance and repair success. It's awesome. So remember to be super duper awesome. If you could like, subscribe, comment, share, turn on those post notifications. Thank you to all my subscribers, my old subscribers, my new subscribers. And thank you to random viewers for viewing my videos. Let's try to be nice in the comment section if we can. I do have it open. I don't block anything unless I get harassed, and then obviously I'm going to block you. But like as far as the initial comments, I don't have any of the restriction settings on them. So post to your heart's content as long as your heart is in the right place, if you could be so kind. Because sometimes I'll just block you, or sometimes I'll get in there and insult you and make you feel worse than you're trying to make me feel, because I don't know, it just feels kind of good to do that to people sometimes, I guess. Just I'm not the turn the other cheek kind of guy, you know what I mean? Anywho, I got 46 years of insults to use. Anyways, with that, remember to have a wonderful whatever, wherever you are. Oh, new subscribers, consider subscribing. I screwed up my outro spiel so bad. Yeah, I got a lot of short videos. This won't be one. This will be a long video. I don't tend to break up my maintenance videos into short videos because it's one continuous continually interesting video as opposed to a ride, which is a bunch of instances, technically, depending how much I decide to talk to the camera and what happens to me or around me as I'm riding around. Good old San Bernardino, California. So with that, remember to have a wonderful whatever, wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next e-bike ride video, maintenance video, cute pet video, random black dog video, which happened. That was interesting. Or weird random occurrence in this city of mine, which I never seem to run into, even though shit's always happening around here. I'm just never there when it happens. Okay, bye.